This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barry Murac and Christopher Davall. Updated in an immaculate 2-bedroom and 2-bath waterfront condo in sought-after Sailboat Pointe. Unit boasts a bright and open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, crisp white kitchen with stainless appliances, gorgeous tile floors throughout. Washer and dryer in unit. Expansive screen waterfront porch is perfect for entertaining. Waterfront pool and fitness center is just steps away. Pet-friendly community as 3 pets are allowed, no weight limit, no pitbulls. Also investor-friendly as you can rent immediately. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Murac and Christopher Davall at 954-296-7700.